working together on the new branch line now for a week, and they have been doing very well. One day, Karina was shunting trucks in the Coldy Fell transfer yard. Ernest, one of the mountain engines, was watching her.
Thanks for what you did to Godred. He's like his old self again.
Thank you, Ernest.
Karina was so pleased by what he said that she didn't look where she was going.
Oh no, I better catch them.
Can't even give a compliment without starting a runaway around here.
Karina followed the trucks until they came to a junction. Somebody switched these points. The trucks must have gone down there. Karina looked down the tracks. It was overgrown and looked very spooky.
Beep beep. I don't want to go down there.
Neither do I, but we've got to get those trucks back. So Karina rolled slowly down the tracks, pushing past bushes and trees. Soon they came out of the trees and got a big surprise. There in front of them was an old abandoned mine.
I didn't know there was a mine here.
A driver and fireman looked around as they crept slowly forwards. At last they found the trucks and coupled up to them. Karina looked around again. She had the feeling that she was being watched.
Can we go, please?
Sure, but we better tell the fat controller about this place. Karina was glad to hear this and puffed quickly away. Later that day, Karina's crew told Sir Topham Hatt about the mine. I didn't believe a mine was even up here. There's no record of one in my files, but I know just the engine to ask. He then went to Duck's branch line to see Neil.
Good evening, sir. Can I help you?
Indeed you can. What do you know of an old mine near Kegwick?
The Quigwar mine? You mean it's been found?
Yes. What do you know?
Rumours, mostly, sir. That mine is Sodor's one and only gold mine.
Gold mine? There's no gold on Sodor.
You see, sir, gold was discovered in those mountains years ago, and some locals quickly set up a mine to dig it all out. Their effects became known as Sodor's Gold Rush. They even brought in 3 steam engines to help with the work, but they soon discovered that what they had been mining was fool's gold. So the mine closed up, but that must have been 20, maybe even 50 years ago.
I see. Next day, Karina has been asked to wait in the transfer yard.
I wonder what Sir Topham Hatt wanted me to see about.
I bet it's about that mine. He wants you to show it to him.
Oh no, when I got fired again, I better go look again.
Was it something I said?
Hello, Paxton.
Oh, afternoon, Thomas.
Paxton, have you seen Karina? I want her to show me this mine she's found.
She just went out to find it again, sir. She didn't want to get you lost.
Oh, I see. I'll go and look for her, sir. I'm good at looking for things. Very well, Thomas. I'll stay here in case she comes back. So Thomas set off. Meanwhile, Karina arrived at the gold mine again.
Hard to believe this place is a mine.
Why not? No, don't be frightened. I don't mean any harm.
Who are you?
I'm Albert. What's your name?
Karina. What are you doing here?
Well, to be honest, both home and work for us.
Us?
Yes. Hey, Scrooge! Come and have a look at this!
I'm coming. Oh, hello, miss.
Karina, this is Scrooge. Scrooge, Karina.
Nice to meet you.
You too. Come on, Albert. He doesn't like to be kept waiting.
I'm just doing what he asked.
What are you talking about?
What's going on here? Albert, Scrooge, what's the reading about? Well, what do we have here? A trespasser?
Come on, Midas. She's not doing any harm.
No, but she knows too much. We can't let our secret be known.
Secret? What secret?
There's only one cause of action. Miss, you have been press game.
Press
Bring her down to the mines.
Sorry, Karina, but he's the boss around here.
Wait, you can't.
Welcome, my dear, to the Sodor gold mine. Boys, break time and come to see our new family member.
You all work down here?
We worked around here for more than 2 years now. We reopened the mine and nobody noticed until now.
But why?
This is a special mine, you see.
And everything in it belongs to us.
What belongs to you?
Gold! More gold than you had coal.
You guys been digging for 2 years for gold?
Yes, my dear. Enough gold to make me, us, rich as kings.
Around the country, the pirates seem like mere trinkets. Like this time tomorrow, well, come here. Let's do it then, by far. Yeah, boys. Dig up Sodor, boys! Mine, boy! Mine every mountain! Dig, boys! Dig, boys! Dig, boys! Dig, boys! The big pebbles that sparkle and shine! It's old! It is mine! 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 Oh, how I love it! But sheep! You'll be heap of it, and I'll be on top of the hay! My rhyme was back home, that I'm bitter. Where when they see how I glitter, everyone in England, oh, Twitter, the Queen will reward me, she'll knight me rich, and me, mine! Mine for the ticket! Mine, boys! Mine me that gold! One good friend, Alfie. Build me a shrine! Oh, the gold is mine!
All of my life I have searched for a land like this one. A wild, more challenging country I couldn't design. Hundreds of dangers await, and I don't plan to miss one. In a land I can claim, a land I can tame, the greatest adventure is mine.
Keep on working, lads! Don't be shrinking, land! Mine! Gold! Beautiful gold! Big boy, big boy, I got cracking me tag.
This land we behold,
Beautiful toe,
I can be born.
so it's mine, mine, mine.
But I can't stay here. I have work to do on the Northwestern Railway.
So, You're not a trespasser. You're a spy too. You're going to tell everyone about my mine.
No, I won't.
Whoa! Hold on there, Midas. We've been digging for 2 years now, and we found more than enough gold. 20 trucks full, but we may need to think about new lives, new jobs.
Not this again, Albert. That's my foreman down here. This is where you belong. Help us get all the gold.
You know what? I don't even want the gold anymore. I want to be really useful like I was back on the Furnace Railway. Let us both go, and we promise not to tell anyone.
Oh, very well. But you know the rules down here. You leave work, you leave your spare of the gold.
You can have the lot for all I care. Come on, Karina.
Coming.
Bye, Albert, Rosina.
It's Karina.
Whatever.
Does this mean I can go when I want?
Don't you see what I've done? With him gone, our spare of gold has gone up. Now, my new foreman, we continue digging until every last piece of gold is ours.
Me? Foreman? Promotion at last.
Good help is so hard to find these days.
There you are, Karina. Who's your friend here?
Thomas, meet Albert. I found him down the mine shaft.
Hello, Thomas.
He wants a new job on the island. Do you think we can help?
Sure, we just need to tell the Fat Controller.
Let's go and find him.
What did she mean by new job? Thomas continued to wonder about this as they went back to the transfer yard.
Duck, the Great Western one. Molly is shy but gets work done. Rebecca pulls the heavy load. Oliver with his brake van towed. Rosie, she's so kind it's true. Donald and his twin Douglas too. Nia streaming down the line. Lady, she really makes